Good afternoon, everyone. Today I unveil a revolutionary device that redefines the world of foldable smartphones, the Xiaomi Mix Flip. This cutting-edge phone brings together power, innovation, and style in an ultra-premium package. Let's explore everything that makes the Xiaomi Mix Flip a game-changer in the foldable smartphone market. Stunning display and design. The Xiaomi Mix Flip features a 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a crisp 2912 by 1224 pixel resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate for a buttery smooth experience. The outer cover display is a 4.0-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, allowing users to check notifications, use widgets, and even take selfies with the main camera. Its elegant design includes an aluminum frame and glass back, making it both premium and durable. The phone is available in black, white, and purple and weighs just 190g, ensuring a comfortable grip whether unfolded or closed. Performance and power. At the heart of the Xiaomi Mix Flip lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm process, delivering unmatched speed and efficiency. This processor includes octa-core CPU, 3.3 GHz Cortex-X4, 3.2 GHz Cortex-A720, and more. Adreno 750 GPU for outstanding graphics performance, 12GB LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 512GB UFS 4.0 storage for blazing fast operations to handle extended gaming and multitasking. It incorporates an innovative 3D cooling system with a 3500 mm Superscript 2 vapor chamber and high-density graphite layers battery, and charging. The Mix Flip is powered by a 4780 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage. It supports 67W fast wired charging, enabling a 50% charge in just 15 minutes. However, it does not feature wireless or reverse charging. Professional Leica cameras. Photography lovers will be thrilled with a dual Leica camera system, featuring 50MP main camera, f/1.7 aperture, OIS, Light Fusion 800 sensor, 50MP telephoto camera, f/2.0 aperture, 2x optical zoom, 9cm macro capability, for selfies. It boasts a 32MP front camera with 4K recording at 60 frames per second. The Mix Flip also supports 8K video recording at 24 frames per second, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and Master Cinema mode for cinematic content creation. Connectivity and features. The device comes with 5G support across multiple bands, Wi-Fi 7 with advanced MLO technology for faster and more stable connections, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and USB-C HyperOS, based on Android 14, for a clean and smooth UI experience. However, it does not include a 3.5mm headphone jack or water/dust resistance. Pricing and availability. The Xiaomi Mix Flip is priced at approximately $760, making it a competitive option in the foldable market. Conclusion. The Xiaomi Mix Flip is a powerful, stylish, and innovative foldable smartphone, delivering top-tier performance, professional-grade cameras, and a premium design. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or a foldable phone enthusiast, the Mix Flip is built to impress. Are you ready to flip your smartphone experience to the next level? The Xiaomi Mix Flip is here to redefine mobile technology. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.